Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar ANEES. I think we had him here before on this channel, not sure. I listened to him before, that's for sure. But anyway, sunny day. Alright, so this is a sunny song here, nice to play, and it goes in the same way almost through the entire song, so that's great. Let's take a look at this song. So we don't need to go over any chords in that meaning, we'll just look at the playing here, this melody here, but we'll start with the capo on the 5th fret here. And the reason for that, we have a couple of high notes to reach out to. So that's the reason, capo on the 5th. Now, let's take a look at this sunny song here. It starts with somewhat of a G, not G, actually C-based chord here. But anyway, you need to hold this grip, 3rd fret on the A string. All right, so you're gonna play this part. Right, so that is the hardest part of the song. So that is 3rd fret on A string, and then you're gonna do roll down here from the open G to open B to open E. So I use my fingers here. You can use just a slow down stroke if you want, but like that. Alright, and then you're gonna play the 3rd fret A string again. And then comes this part. So that is 3rd fret on B string. Then open E. 3rd E. Open E again. And then open B. And that's it for the C-based part here. So slowly. Right, and then we have somewhat of a F-based part here. Okay, so that's the part. So you hold this grip. It's a little bit awkward also, but I think you will get used to it. That is 1st fret on E string in the bass, then 2nd D, 2nd G, and 1st B. If you want, you can hold a bar here and like this. It's up to you. I do in my way, like this. All right, so you do 1st fret on E string, and then you use the same technique as in C. You roll down on the 2nd D, then 2nd G, and 1st B. Okay, then you play the 1st E in the bass again, and then you hit the 2nd G and 1st B together. So that's the F part. And then you go to the G part, so that's it for that. That is 3rd fret on E string in the bass, and then open G and 3rd B together. So we went through the C part, the F, and the G, and that's the first half of it. All right, so it sounds like this, just to summarize the first part. All right, then you start all over in the 2nd round here. It will sound like this. That's the C part first, and you start in the same way with the C as in the 1st round. You play the 3rd fret on A string and then roll down, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so then you're gonna play 3rd fret A string together with open E, and then 3rd B. Okay, then you go over to A minor based thing here. So that is open A together with 1st B, and then open B. And that's it for A minor. And then you're gonna play the F based part again, and that is played in the same way. And then you end with the G part, and that is also played in the same way. And that's it, guys. So we had two halves of this song, so to speak, and the difference between them is that the beginning there is different, all right? So slowly, one full round, two halves sounds like this. That was a bit slowed down. In standard tempo, something like this. And so on, guys. A bright and shiny song, ANEES Sunny Day. So thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please let me know, because I will yell at you. So please do that, guys, and thumb up this tutorial. Until next time, play tuned.